Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashir Ayaz. I am the student of Ryan School Islamabad, the Fed campus of foundation level. So here this is my ChatGPT on the topic of how to gain control of your free time by Laura Vanderkam. Today I was inspired TEDx Talk. This talk explains how people can manage their time better and live a more balanced and productive life. In her speech, Laura Vanderkam says that many people believe they do not have enough free time. However, according to her, problem is often not lack of time, but now we use it. She explained that time is one of the most valuable parts of life, and we should spend it carefully and magnificently. One of the most important lessons from this TEDx talk is that people can recreate time for things that truly matter. If something is important to us, we usually find time for it. Laura Vanderkam encourages people to focus on priority instead of wasting time on unnecessary activities. She also talked about planning and organizing. By managing schedules properly, people can balance work, family, health, education, and relaxation. Good time management reduces stress and helps people feel happier and more in control of their lives. Another strong message from the talk is that free time should be used for personal growth and meaningful experience instead of spending hours without purpose. People can use their free time to learn skill, exercise, read books, spend time with loved one, or follow their passions. I also like how Laura Vanderkam used real life example to explain her ideas in a simple and practical way. Her speech motivates people to think carefully about how they spend each day. My biggest takeaway from this TEDx talk is that time is precious and we should use it wisely. Even when we manage our time properly, when we can achieve our goals, reduce stress, enjoy life more fully. Thank you everyone for listening. So yeah, this is my TEDx talk. This is successful return. So Assalamu alaikum Pakistan Zindabad.